like variety. Some people are a little bit opposed to fruit in their salad, which I get. It can be a little strange at first, but we started off with our triple berry salad recipe years ago in our workshops, and people were always surprised at how yummy it was. It has the raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries in it. And people were like, whoa, I never liked fruit in a salad before, but this is delicious. So it's just a nice, switch up a nice variety as well. This salad is not a meal salad because it does not have all of the 4 macros. So it basically just has fats and antioxidants. And so we're missing the carbs and the protein, which could be added if you wanted to make a meal, but just always be sure when you're having salad for a lunch, for example, that it has all your 4 macros. So